Changes aims to promote recovery and mental well-being. It provides support services for people suffering from mental distress and has supported the Trust in numerous activities over the years. Recently, Changes has joined the Trust to help deliver the It's a Goal programme. This was developed in 2004 when a report published by the government and the World Health Organization said that young men are at more risk of suicide when they are depressed. The programme is delivered at a football stadium and set around football metaphors to encourage young men to discuss their mental well-being and support them in their recovery.
We're primarily a mental health provider. We're a third sector organisation. We provide a range of services based on our 12-step programme and wellness action plan.
Changes do an awful lot of different types of group work and have access to lots of different types of services. So once people have been through It's a Goal, it opens the things up for them for everything else that Changes do, as well as the wide mental health service delivery in the city. 4, yeah. You want to get to 9, you're actually nearly halfway there already.
We've always had a lot of respect for combined healthcare. Dave Pearson was the first to give us an opportunity in '99 to actually prove that we'd got a place within the care package. Without combined healthcare, I think it'd be very difficult for a lot of third sector organisations to function effectively. I also think that's a two-way street. I think the third sector, including Changes, has a really key role to play in combined healthy functioning.
We're currently looking at working in partnership with Changes. What that's going to provide for us is the support we need to keep the group running. We need at least 2 people. It's better to run the group with 2 people anyway, because you can feed off each other, you can bounce ideas off each other.
And with Tim, I mean, it's about getting the fans or the players or the users, just to see what's happened, where they would like to go, and how me and Tim and Changes and It's Your Goal can support them. So with combined health, I know we already do a lot, and Dave's been in contact with them for a long time now. It really, really helps. And this is about our vision of helping people in distress.
I've got a bit more confidence back. I feel a lot better in that sense, which has been very helpful, yeah.
The football ground attracted me to come, and with it not being in a hospital environment, and how things are related to the football side, and it makes it easier to understand and accept.
We've got a local connection as well to football and mental health. We've got a lot of support from Lou Macari. He's got some insight into the devastating effects that suicide can have. That kind of breaks down barriers as well, when you see that people that you put up on a pedestal are human beings, and this horrible, disabling condition can affect absolutely anybody.
What It's a Goal's doing through using the football metaphor and being delivered in this marvellous facility, the Britannia Stadium, is it's opening up a service. It's almost a service that isn't a service.
We can help people to understand how they're feeling and to articulate that through using football themes and football analogies. We do an exercise where we look at those characteristics, and then we ask guys, in terms of your personality, where do you fit in a football pitch? We get a few goalkeepers, but not because they handle pressure well, just because they say, I feel like if I make a mistake it's the end of the world. So they feel like a goalkeeper. A lot of midfield players who feel as though they don't get a lot of compliments, don't get a lot of support for all the effort and work that they put in. And through that exercise, people actually start to talk about themselves a lot and they can identify where the problems are then, and they can also then start to look at solutions.
Between us, we bring a lot to the groups, and maybe with the group's experience as well. Tim's quite good at making people relax, I'm good at making people relaxed, and together I think we're a formidable team, quite a good team.
I would recommend it to anybody to come. It's just quite scary at first. What you do, once you open up, you've usually got people understanding, and there's a lot of people in the same situation.
Just getting out to meet meet other people and talk is the massive thing. It's a goal that's out massively with getting me out, building my confidence up, to spend one-on-one time with my daughter and be the father for her.